do what we did for the starter and express it in a table. So you can see on the top row you've got all the x values. So you've got -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And we're told that y equals x squared. So what we do is we take the value of x and we square it. That means times it by itself. Okay, so if we do -3, the first one's going to be -3 times -3, and we know that a minus or a negative times a negative will give a positive answer. So 3 times 3 is 9, so -3 times -3 is also 9. So we put 9. So we put 9 in the box just here. So we now go to -2, -2, and -2 times -2 is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. So -2 times -2 is also 4. Now go to -1. We've got -1 here. -1 times -1. 1 times 1 is 1, so -1 times -1 is also 1, and we put that in the box just here. And now we can just carry on filling in the rest of the table, taking each x value in turn. So 0 squared, 0 times 0 will be 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we populate the rest of the table with those values, and it finally looks like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the table and we're going to plot it on a coordinate grid with all 4 quadrants. You can see on the x-axis I've got going -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. So I've used 1 square for 2 each way, and that goes in the positive way: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. On the y-axis as well, 1 square is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. Exactly the same. So we're going to take the table values and we're going to plot them on our axis. Okay, so if you look at the table, what you've effectively got is a coordinate -3 and 9, just like the linear graphs that we plotted in the last few lessons. So -3 and 9 is going to go -3 along, so it goes -3 along and up to here. So it's going to go in this position here, approximately there. Next coordinate is -2, 4. So I plot -2, 4, so it goes -2 and 4 up. So it's going to be in that position there, -4. No, sorry, -2, 4. Okay, so in that position there. And then we carry on, -1, 1, -1 and 1 will be approximately there. 0, 0. Well, that's a nice easy one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. Okay, it's approximately there. You're going to be much more accurate than that because I'm using my big fat fingers on an iPad screen. Okay, if you do it right, then what you should be able to do is connect them all up with a nice smooth curve like a U. We call that in maths a parabola. Okay, so I'm going to try and do that now. And it looks something like that, but yours is going to be much more accurate, okay, because you're using a pencil and you can take your time over that.